do a swap. Stand up.
All right, good afternoon, Honorable Minister, dear colleagues. Good afternoon. ADB is very pleased to be able to support the Fijian government with a budget support sustained private sector-led growth reform program to help Fiji to cope with and also rebound from the COVID-19. This assistance is the third phase of the program developed with the Fijian government since 2017 to help create a more conducive environment for the private sectors and also the businesses owners. It also supports the reforms to improve the public finance management and also strengthen the performance of state-owned enterprises. ADB would like to thank the government of Fiji, led by the Ministry of Economy, to achieve the very strong reform program under this project. We also would like to thank the partners for this program, including the government of New Zealand and also Australia, which brought the grant funding for this project, and also the Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank, which brought the loans together with ADB's program. This program is a part of the broad partnership between ADB and also Fiji government and to support the long-term economic development as well as the short-term response for the COVID response. Our response includes this budget support like this program and also infrastructure investment as well as the disaster management, including the COVID response. We are sure that ADB stands ready for further support to Fijian government and also people for the long-term development as well as the relief for the COVID-19. Thank you very much.
I'd like to thank the Regional Director for his comments and of course your team, together with the team in Manila for facilitating this. As highlighted by the Regional Director, this is part of sub-program 3, the final phase as far as this particular initiative is concerned. And it has actually been a very good opportunity for us. As highlighted by the Regional Director, we have carried out a number of reforms, including in the investment environment sector and of course fiscal management area. And this has been a good partnership and we'd like to of course thank them for the funding. We have, through the discussions of course with the faith that ADB has had in us, we managed to get $200 million this time around. We'd like to thank them for their support, which obviously has helped us, in particular with this COVID pandemic that's looming still around us. It's still here, and it will help us in respect of getting the much needed funding, in particular in propping up our foreign reserves and also improving liquidity within the system itself too. I'd like to also re-echo the sentiments of the Regional Director for the Australian and New Zealand assistance as far as the funding that they made available by way of a grant, which helped us in terms of the implementation of many of these targets that we actually had to meet before the funding actually could be released. As also announced by government in the budget, it feeds in a lot with what the sub-program 3 entailed. We've also, ease of doing business, of course, has been greatly enhanced with the removal of business licenses, with removal of stamp duties, and etc., and a number of other initiatives with the tax reforms. It all kind of, comes together and collates together. And this could, of course, not have been done without the assistance. ADB also gives us technical assistance. And one of the areas that ADB currently is looking at is, of course, helping and working together with Ports Corporation Fiji Limited in respect of looking at the viability of the relocation of the port, where we can build greater synergies within the city and also be able to provide a more conducive environment for the marine industry in Fiji. So thank you once again. And of course, we look forward to working together with you. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
The first phase was $15 million US. The second phase was $65 million, and the third phase is $200 million US. so it's total 280 million US dollars. But as I said, and this program is a joint effort with the government, also the partners. Partner includes government of New Zealand and Australia, AIIB, and also the World Bank. And so this is a mixture of the grant and also concessional loans. And we consistently and coherently support the policy reforms led by the government of Fiji.
In respect of the funding by World Bank, the World Bank is with the ADB in the sub-program 1 and allocated $15 million, sub-program 2 $63.7 million. They did not participate in sub-program 3, so their total funding was $78.7 million, ADB is $280. And now in sub-program 3 we have for the first time Asian Infrastructure Bank, which is $50 million. Australian government a grant of $1 million Australian dollars, and New Zealand government a grant of $8.5 million New Zealand dollars for these programs.